Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the clip that contains the sound you want removed. Make sure the clip is visible in the timeline and you can see its waveform. This helps you judge where to cut or mute. Once done, inspect the audio meters to confirm levels and whether it's stereo or mono. If you need finer control, press 1/2 zoom or expand the audio track height so you can see peaks and silence accurately before proceeding to any edits. Now you remove the unwanted sound using one of 3 quick options. You can detach audio to treat it as a separate clip and delete or fade it out. This gives precise edits. Alternatively, disable audio via clip audio or press V to mute the entire clip instantly. For partial removal, add volume keyframes and drag down to infinity dB or lower the clip volume slider. This preserves timing while suppressing sound. Make sure to play back the section to confirm the result. Finish by smoothing edges and verifying the export. Apply small fade-ins or fade-outs on the audio clip boundaries to prevent clicks. Once done, check rolls and secondary audio lanes in case sound is coming from another track. Make sure your project sample rate matches source files to avoid artifacts. If you still hear audio, reveal connected clips or multicam clip audio and mute or delete those sources. Finally, play the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.